Hello there. Across southern parts it should be an improving picture as we go through the rest of the night and into the morning. Still some patchy outbreaks of rain around, but by the end of the night it should be mostly dry here. Temperatures holding above freezing, but further north where we've got the clearer skies it will be very cold and frosty. Some icy conditions possible as well, particularly where we've had that snow cover. Now as we go through Thursday we'll see that cloud in the south continuing to melt away, the winds easing down here, and across northern parts it's certainly going to be a much better day with plenty of sunshine, temperatures up to around about 10 degrees or so. For Scotland and Northern Ireland though, the clouds will be increasing from the northwest through the day, so we will see some patchy outbreaks of rain drifting down, and the same is true across Northern Ireland as well, with some damp conditions here. But nevertheless, temperatures there in Belfast around about 10 degrees or so. For Wales we should see a fair bit of sunshine, particularly for the north. I think further south a little bit more in the way of cloud around, but this is tending to break up as the day goes on. For southwest England though, we could see one or two showers continuing here, still one or two sharp ones possibly across the far south of Devon and Cornwall, but through the southeast after that rather cloudy start we should see some sunshine emerging into the afternoon, and that cloud continuing to melt away across these southern parts, so that will allow things to turn quite cold through Thursday evening and into the early hours of Friday, with a frost developing here, whereas further north under cloudier skies, well, temperatures should generally speaking stay above freezing. So looking ahead into the Easter weekend, what does it have in store for us? Well, I can't promise much in the way of sunshine. There will be a little bit at times, but there'll also be a fair bit of cloud around with some further rain for many of us. What we'll see on Good Friday is these weather fronts drifting down from the north. They're not too vigorous, these weather fronts. I think they'll just produce mainly light and patchy rain, and they won't reach the far south. Here it should stay largely dry for the day with some sunnier skies there towards the southeast, but in the north that cloud will be increasing all the while. Still temperatures not too bad, around 11 to 13 degrees, but quite chilly I think through Saturday and Sunday across the north. Temperatures around 9 degrees here, like I said, with some rain at times, and the same is true across many central parts as well. I think we'll hold on to quite a lot of cloud through the weekend with some patchy outbreaks of rain. Further south, well, Saturday is probably going to be your best day really of the weekend, with some brightness around, temperatures still managing to get up into double figures, but by Sunday a greater chance of seeing some rain.